Okay, everyone, welcome back everyone. So that in last video we have done the interfacing of gas sensor with with Arduino. So now let's. So I have told you that this the coding I have done in C++, that is Arduino in Arduino C. So now let's make this code from the scratch. Let's make it from the scratch. So I'll delete it. Okay, let's see whether it's work or not. We'll start with the scratch. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, you need to declare the that you need to initialize that all the pins you have used of the Arduino. So I'll use that one, whatever name you want to give, you can give. So I'll use LED1 equals to, I have connected to the pin number 12 semicolon, int LED2 equals to 11. Pin number 11 I have connected to the pin number 11 and int buzzer equals to pin number 10. हाँ, आप देख सकते हो जो भी आपने लगाए, जो भी आपने कनेक्शन किया वैसे ही आपको कोडिंग भी करना है. ओके, yes, okay, now we have connected one pin, that is gas sensor pin, to the Arduino in analog input, that is A5. So I'll use gas sensor equals to A5. I'll write here. Okay, after that let's start the void setup. You all know that in Arduino coding we start with the void setup and void loop. So basically void setup is basically for running the code for once. So whatever you write inside the void setup, the code will run once. Okay, code जो है वो आपका एक ही बार रन करेगा. So we need to give the pin mode, that मीन्स जो आपके एलईडीज है वो आउटपुट है या इनपुट है, जो आपका सेंसर है वो आउटपुट है या इनपुट है. सो लेट्स ट्राई पिन मोड. Pin mode, and inside the pin mode you need to provide that whether it's input or output. Okay, just a second. So pin number LED1, so I'll write here LED1 comma its input, sorry its output. LED जो आपके आउटपुट रहेगा, ये आपका लाइट आउटपुट दे रहे हैं. सो राइट आउटपुट. ओके, एंड सेमीकोलन. ओके, हाँ, pin mode LED1 output हो गया. Okay, so now same thing for the second. So let's copy this thing. Copy करिए इसे, Ctrl V, and this copy for the same thing for the now let's write here buzzer. Buzzer is also our output. Okay, and buzzer output हो गया आपका. इसके बाद अपन लिखेंगे पिन मोड. सेम कॉपी करें, एक बार वापस से पेस्ट कर दो और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे अपन ये जो आपने लिखा है, दैट इज योर गैस सेंसर. कॉपी दिस हियर, कंट्रोल V. सो बट दिस इज नॉट द आउटपुट. गैस सेंसर इज इनपुट. योर सेंसर इज प्रोवाइडिंग द आउटपुट. आपका जो सेंसर है वो आउटपुट दे रहा है एंड Arduino is taking that output. So this is input for the Arduino. So let's provide the input. Okay, now we have done with the setup section. So I guess we need to use the curly brackets. Okay, so I have not given curly brackets, so you can use it like this as well, and at the end here as well, one opening and closing curly brackets. Okay, so now let's start the void loop. Now void loop is basically for looping section. It's a loop section. Means यहाँ पे जो है here your code will run and run, वो again and again loop में run होते रहेगा. ठीक है, so let's open the curly brackets and here I wanted to read the sensor output. जो सेंसर का आउटपुट वो मुझे रीड करना है. सो मैं इसे स्टोर कर दो एक लोकल वेरिएबल में, int एनालॉग सेंसर करके एक सेंसर बनाता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, एनालॉग. जस्ट अ सेकंड, int int analog read, yes, analog read equals to, सॉरी एक सेकेंड, एनालॉग सेंसर करता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, एनालॉग सेंसर इक्वल्स टू एनालॉग रीड, रीड। अभी एनालॉग रीड कौन सी पिन करना है आपको करना है गैस सेंसर को रीड करना है, यानी A5 को रीड करना है। कंट्रोल C, ओके, कंट्रोल V, लेट्स गिव द सेमीकोलन, you need to give the semicolon, ठीक है, if you miss the semicolon then it will show the error, okay, yeah, so now we have read, yeah, now we wanted to initialize the void setup, so inside the void setup you need to initialize the serial monitor as well, so serial dot begin, and here inside this the baud rate you need to provide, that is 9600, okay. So now here I wanted to write on the serial monitor, I wanted to print the value of analog sensor, so serial monitor, serial dot print ln, on the new line here I wanted to print, first of all it should print the sensor, semicolon, after that it should print this, that is analog sensor, okay. So now we'll use the conditions, if, हाँ एक चीज यहाँ पे अपन मिस कर गए, we have missed one thing, that we need to use here threshold value, int sensor threshold equal to 600 semicolon. So now if analog sensor, and this one I'll copy this, control C, control V, is greater than 600, sorry 6, without writing 600 let's write the sensor threshold. Then what we wanted to do, we'll execute we wanted to write here digital write, means we wanted to turn on the red LED, so red LED will turn on, digital, just a second, digital write pin number LED1, that is LED1 is connected to the pin number 12 I guess, yes, so we'll on LED1 and we'll give you the high, we'll write here high, okay. So semicolon and LED same thing, जो LED आपका 2 है उसको अपन लो करेंगे, कंट्रोल C, कंट्रोल V, LED 2 करते हैं यहाँ पे, इसको लो कर देते हैं यहाँ पे, सो मेक इट लो, एंड बजर इज ऑल्सो लो, सॉरी बजर इज हाई, सो ना बजर को आपको ऑन करना है, सो लेट्स टर्न ऑन द बजर विथ बजर टोन, सो I'll write here, just a second, we'll turn on the buzzer, which have, for that we are having one command, tone the buzzer comma 1000 comma 350 bracket close here, okay. So we have turned on the buzzer. Now let's else means if this not happens, अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है, if this is not happens, then what we wanted to do, let's give the curly brackets, हाँ If this will not happen, then what we wanted to do, अभी सभी अपन इसे ग्रीन लाइट को ऑन करना है और बजर को बंद करना है. Let's copy this and paste it here. So what I'll do, I'll make it low. First of all, I'll make it low and make this high. Okay, हाँ. So बजर को क्या करेंगे अभी अपन? बजर को करेंगे अपन लो टोन. Means no tone. So yes, we have done with the coding. I guess we need to check the curly brackets. So this curly bracket is of white loop. So let's close at the last. Okay, yes, so we have done. I guess let's see whether it's work or not. So there are few mistakes in our coding, we can see. So this is how the code looks. So yes, we'll see what are the mistakes in our code and we'll try to solve. So here you can see the output error code. Serial dot is not, I guess it should be in capital. Let's see. Let's start once again. Yes, now it's working, I guess. Yes, you can see the values on the screen. Now you can able to see. Now it's working fine. Yes. So this is how we can write the Arduino C code. It's very easy. If you feel, if you have any doubt, let me know inside the comment. Okay. And if you have any doubt in Arduino coding, how to do the Arduino coding, you can ask me. Okay, so thanks a lot everyone. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us. Please like, share and subscribe. So thanks.